Okay, we're going to install a window sill here. The best way to do it is if you have a speed square, just stick it against the window and against your wall, and to see how square your corner is here. And you do it on both corners just to see, get an idea. And if you don't have a speed square, then this is a way that you can do it without a speed square. Just stick your windowsill in there so it touches right here and also on this side here, and push it up against your wall just like the speed square was, and you'll see the same reveal. So then you'll cut that off. And then you want to double check before you install, which that's a nice tight fit. And then to get the other side, you take a measurement on the front of the sill to the others, from wall to wall. And to see if this side's square, you do the exact same thing. And you've got a little gap here, just at the front. So then, this is the size of your window. So you'll want to kind of duplicate this space by making a mark like that, but then you got to compensate for that little gap. So you just make another mark. So then once you get it cut, you'll want to dry fit it and make sure that it fits, which in this case it does. That's always good. So then you'll remove it. Make sure you always peel the plastic off. The clear coated plastic that's on the top. And you just want to make sure this seal part is clean. Then to glue it down with, use the Extra Bond 9500. It has a really good bond between the wood and the foam that's on the back of the window sills. Just put a few dabs like that, just so you have plenty of coverage. And you just fit it in, give it a little pressure along the whole sill. And there you have it. Then, if, like in this case, the walls are not painted, so you'll want to use a latex caulk along these edges, just so it's paintable, and then across the back of the windowsill, use this 100% silicone. And if your walls are painted, then you can use silicone all the way around, just because, then you don't have to worry about the paint. So this is the regular latex caulk, and so it's easily paintable. It paints really good, and you'll just want to do your edges. And then for the back, you'll want to switch it over to the Extra Bond 450. This is a white. It matches the windowsill the best. and it has a great bond with it as well. You'll just want to put a fine bead between the window and the window sill. Don't worry about little holes like that. Then you'll want to tool it with your finger, just like you did the caulk, and just run it along. And any little gap, you can go back on and clean it up. There you have it.